Welcome to a taste of the future. The revolutionary Apple Vision Pro has arrived. This much-anticipated marvel is set to rewrite the rules of immersive entertainment. It's already available for pre-order and the buzz is palpable. You can feel the excitement in the air and it's reflected in the skyrocketing demand. Listings are popping up on eBay, prices ranging from $600 to a staggering $7,000, way above the official retail price. But buyer beware. This isn't just any gadget you slap on and go. The Vision Pro requires a detailed sales conversation and a 25-minute demo to ensure a perfect fit and customization. Any hasty purchases from unofficial sources might leave you with a less than stellar experience. With the Apple Vision Pro, the future is not just near, it's already here. Step into a world where technology and reality intertwine seamlessly. A world where the digital and physical spaces meld together, creating an experience unlike any other. Welcome to the realm of the Apple Vision Pro. Let's start with the heart of the device, the ultra-high-resolution micro OLED displays. These are not your ordinary screens, they redefine clarity and color accuracy, bringing your digital content to life like never before. Imagine watching your favorite shows or exploring virtual landscapes with an unprecedented level of detail and vibrancy. It's not just viewing, it's experiencing, but what's a visual feast without an audio banquet to match? Enter advanced spatial audio. This technology wraps sound around you, making you feel as though you're in the heart of the action. Whether it's the rustling of leaves in a movie scene or the roar of a crowd in a live concert, every sound is a symphony that engulfs you, elevating your entertainment experience. Powering this device is not one, but two breakthrough chips, the R1 and M2. These technological marvels push the boundaries of what's possible, delivering lightning-fast processing and graphics that are simply out of this world. From gaming to virtual meetings, these chips ensure a smooth, lag-free experience. Now let's talk about Vision OS. This operating system is truly a game-changer. It seamlessly blends digital content with your physical space, blurring the lines between reality and the virtual world. With Vision OS, your living room can become a cinema, a concert hall, or even a tropical island. The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. The Apple Vision Pro is not just a device, it's an immersive experience. It's a gateway to a world where technology doesn't just assist, but enhances. It's a glimpse into the future today. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Now, we've talked about the visual and audio feast that the Apple Vision Pro offers, but what about interaction? Welcome to a new era of interactivity. The Apple Vision Pro isn't just about watching, it's about engaging, interacting, and immersing yourself in a whole new way. With its advanced haptic feedback system, you can feel the action, not just see it. This groundbreaking feature offers a tactile experience that's as real as it gets. Imagine feeling the tension of a bowstring as you draw it back in a virtual archery game, or the heat of a virtual fire on a camping trip. It's all possible with the Apple Vision Pro, but that's not all. With its innovative gesture control and voice command system, the Vision Pro puts you in control. Command your virtual world with just a wave of your hand or the sound of your voice. It's that simple. And with AI-powered personalization, the device learns and adapts to your preferences, making each interaction more intuitive and effortless. The Apple Vision Pro isn't just a device, it's a companion that understands you. Now let's continue our journey into the future with the Apple Vision Pro. Imagine watching your favorite shows and movies in a way you've never experienced before. Step into the future of entertainment with the Apple Vision Pro. This isn't just another device, it's a gateway to breathtaking new worlds, all from the comfort of your own living room. Now envision yourself settling down to watch the latest blockbuster or binge the newest streaming series. With the Apple Vision Pro, you're not just watching, you're immersing yourself in the narrative. The ultra-high-resolution micro OLED displays bring your favorite characters to life right before your eyes. Every detail is crisp and clear, making you feel like you're part of the action. But that's not all. The Apple Vision Pro takes sports viewing to a whole new level. Imagine feeling the thrill of the stadium from your couch, the roar of the crowd, the tension of the game, all delivered to you in stunning clarity. It's so real you can almost taste the popcorn. And let's not forget about 3D movies. Remember when they were the next big thing? Well, they're back and better than ever. With the Apple Vision Pro, 3D movies are an immersive experience, pulling you into the story like never before. But what about innovation? Apple has always been at the forefront, and the Vision Pro is no different. Enter Apple Immersive Video. This is not just a feature, it's a revolution. It seamlessly blends digital content with your physical space, creating an entertainment experience that's in a class of its own. It's not just about watching anymore, it's about living the experience. With the Apple Vision Pro, entertainment is not just watched, it's lived. So sit back, relax, and let the future of entertainment come to you. The Apple Vision Pro is not just another device, it's a game changer. Think about it. A device that offers a viewing experience so immersive that it makes the line between digital content and the physical world blur. That's what the Apple Vision Pro is all about. It's not just about watching your favorite shows or films anymore. It's about stepping into them, feeling the energy of the crowd in a sports match or the thrill of a chase scene in a blockbuster movie. What's more, with the Vision Pro, you're not just a passive viewer. The device is designed to integrate seamlessly into your life, enhancing your everyday experiences. Imagine being able to overlay your digital calendar onto your actual living room wall, or seeing your fitness stats pop up in real time during your morning run. But we're not just talking about today. The Vision Pro is a glimpse into the future, a future where technology and reality are indistinguishable. A future where we don't just use devices, we interact with them in a way that feels as natural as breathing. And the best part? That future is not some distant sci-fi dream, it's here right now. And let's not forget the humor of it all. With the Vision Pro, you can even watch those old three-dimensional movies. Remember those? Back when we thought that was the height of technology. How quaint. The Apple Vision Pro, where the line between technology and reality blurs. It's not just a device, it's not just an entertainment system, it's the future. And the future is now. So are you ready to step into it? Are you ready to step into the future? The buzz around the Apple Vision Pro is palpable, echoing through the tech sphere like a siren call to those thirsty for innovation. This isn't just another gadget, it's a revolution, a quantum leap in how we interact with our digital lives. Enthusiasts who've had a taste of this future are singing its praises. One beta tester raves, "The Vision Pro isn't just a game changer, it's a whole new game." Another chimes in, "It's like stepping into tomorrow today." These are not mere devices, they're tickets to a world we've only dreamed of. As we journey into this brave new world, remember that revolutions are not spectator sports. They are participatory, collective endeavors. This revolution, the Apple Vision Pro revolution, beckons you. It's time to step up, to engage, to immerse yourself in the future today. In this revolution, your voice matters. We invite you to share your thoughts, to contribute to the discourse that shapes our shared digital destiny. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let your voice be heard in the comments section. As we stand on the precipice of this exciting new era, remember that the future is not something that merely happens to us, it's something we create. The Apple Vision Pro is more than a device, it's a tool, a canvas for us to paint our digital futures. So, are you ready to leap into the unknown, to embrace the revolution, to become a part of the narrative that is shaping our collective digital destiny? If the answer is yes, then welcome to the future. Welcome to the Apple Vision Pro revolution. Don't just watch the future unfold. Be a part of it. Like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Welcome to the future. Welcome to the Apple Vision Pro revolution. Welcome back, future pioneers. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the future with the Apple Vision Pro. The revolution is here and it's waiting for you to join. Now, it's time to take action. If you found yourself captivated by the Vision Pro's potential, if your heart raced at the prospect of such groundbreaking innovation, then show your support. Hit that like button and let the world know you're ready for the future. But don't stop there. Subscribe to our channel and ensure you're the first to receive updates on the Vision Pro and other exciting content. Stay ahead, stay informed, and stay engaged with the frontier of technology. And finally, your voice matters in this revolution. The comment section below is not just a place for feedback, but a forum for visionaries. Share your thoughts on the Apple Vision Pro. How do you envision using it? What does your digital future look like? We want to hear from you because this revolution is not just ours, it's yours. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting content that pushes the boundaries of technology and imagination. Remember, the future is not something we merely observe, it's something we shape together. So let's shape it. Welcome to your digital odyssey. Welcome to the Apple Vision Pro revolution.